Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Alice who was struggling to make ends meet. She had tried everything, but nothing seemed to work. One day, she stumbled upon Pinterest and was instantly hooked. She spent hours scrolling through the endless stream of beautiful images, and she soon realized that Pinterest could be more than just a fun way to waste time. It could be a way to make money. Alice decided to start a Pinterest account and share her own images and videos. She wrote engaging captions and used relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. She also started following other users who were creating content that she enjoyed. Over time, Alice's Pinterest account grew and grew. She started to attract thousands of followers, and her content was being shared all over the platform. One day, she received a message from a company that wanted to partner with her. They offered to pay her to promote their products on her Pinterest account. Alice was thrilled. She had finally found a way to make money doing something she loved. She accepted the partnership offer, and she soon started earning a significant income from her Pinterest account. Alice's story is just one example of how people are using Pinterest to make money. There are many other ways to monetize Pinterest, and the possibilities are endless. Here are a few tips on how to make money on Pinterest in 2023. 1. Create high-quality content. The most important thing is to create content that people will enjoy and want to share. Your images and videos should be well lit, well composed, and visually appealing. Your captions should be engaging and informative. 2. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to get your content seen by more people. When you use relevant hashtags, your content will show up in the search results for those hashtags. 3. Follow other users. Following other users is a great way to get discovered. When you follow other users, your content will show up in their feeds. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions, and participate in group boards. The more you engage with your audience, the more likely they are to follow you and share your content. 5. Monetize your account. There are many ways to monetize your Pinterest account, including affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling your own products and services. Here are a few specific examples of how you can make money on Pinterest. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products and services. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you will be given a unique link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. To make money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing, you can share images and videos of the products and services that you are promoting. Be sure to include your affiliate link in the caption. Sponsored content. Sponsored content is a type of advertising where you are paid to create content about a specific product or service. To make money on Pinterest with sponsored content, you can reach out to companies that you are interested in partnering with. If they are interested in working with you, they will send you a product or service to review. You will then create a piece of content about the product or service and share it on your Pinterest account. Be sure to disclose that the content is sponsored. Selling your own products and services. If you have your own products or services, you can sell them on Pinterest. To do this, you can create a Pinterest store and add your products and services to it. You can also share images and videos of your products and services on your Pinterest account. Be sure to include a link to your store in the caption. No matter what your interests are, there is a way to make money on Pinterest. With a little effort and creativity, you can turn your Pinterest hobby into a profitable business.